Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you the new anim image IUD that you can use in your picture frames in Grow a Garden too. So in here, first you can get the picture frame from the picture frame crate that you can buy it at the prop shops. It costs around 350,000, and when you open it, you will receive a random picture frame size. And in here, I got the small one. And then the best part is that you can display almost any image using an image ID. And to use or to change the image, first just tap on edit, and then in here you just need to enter the image ID. And in here I have three anim image ID. First this image or this code, and then just enter it, and you will get this image, this cute image. And then for the second code is this one, like this, you can see it. And then for the last code is this one, and then next just enter and you will get this cool image, the anim image. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.